Experiencing a frozen or constantly resetting Mercedes infotainment system like MBUX can be frustrating. Start with a forced restart. Press and hold the power button on your infotainment screen or steering wheel for 10 to 15 seconds until it reboots. This clears temporary memory and often resolves minor glitches. If that doesn't work, try a fuse pull. Locate the infotainment fuse. Check your owner's manual for the exact location, usually in the engine bay or cabin fuse box labeled SAM or infotainment. Remove the fuse for 1 to 2 minutes to reset the power cycle. Remember, fuse pulls are a hard reset and should be done cautiously, consulting your vehicle's manual first. These methods are temporary fixes. Persistent issues require a different approach. For lasting solutions to Mercedes infotainment reset issues, prioritize software updates as the primary approach. Check for over-the-air updates using the Mercedes Me app on your smartphone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection during the installation process. For older models, you can update via USB drive. These updates fix software bugs and improve overall system performance. If reset issues persist after software updates, the problem may be hardware-related. Schedule a visit to an authorized Mercedes-Benz dealer for professional diagnostics. They can identify faulty control modules and replace them if needed. Be aware that ignoring persistent problems or relying solely on DIY fixes can potentially void your warranty. Always try forced restart and fuse pull first as temporary solutions before seeking expert help.